Hey everyone, and welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're diving into a super useful and easy-to-learn trick for your iPhone: how to turn on private browsing in Safari. Maybe you're doing some online research for a surprise gift, or just want a little extra privacy while browsing. Whatever the reason, private browsing on your iPhone is a fantastic tool. In this quick guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to enable it and why it's beneficial. It's so easy, even your grandma could do it. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our travel tips and tech tutorials. Now, let's get started. Scene 1. Screen recording of iPhone Safari. Okay, so first things first, open up your Safari browser on your iPhone. Scene 2. Tap the tabs icon. See that little icon in the bottom right corner that looks like two overlapping squares? That's your tabs icon. Tap it. Scene 3. Tap the number of tabs or start page. Now, look at the bottom center of the screen. You'll see either a number indicating how many tabs you have open, or it will say Start Page. Tap on that. Scene 4. Select Private. A menu will pop up, giving you options. Select Private. Scene 5. Safari turns gray or dark. Boom. You're now in private browsing mode. Notice how the Safari interface has changed, usually to a darker shade of gray or black. This visually tells you you're in private mode. Scene 6. Explaining features, no history, etc. What does private browsing actually do? Well, Safari won't remember the pages you visit, your search history, or your autofill information. Plus, it prevents websites from tracking you across different websites, which helps protect your privacy.
Astérisque astérisque, scène 7. How to turn it off, reverse steps, astérisque astérisque.
When you're done with private browsing and want to go back to regular browsing, simply repeat the steps. Tap the tabs icon, then tap private again. This will switch you back to normal browsing mode.
Asterisco asterisco, sim 8, outro recap, asterisco asterisco.
And that's it.
Super simple, right?
Now you know how to easily switch between regular browsing and private browsing on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or other iPhone tricks you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on RoamTips.com.
Happy browsing.